Arrow 2, Startup. While wearing safety protection, turn the compressed air supply on. Press the red power button, which is located on the control panel, to turn the machine on. The power button will turn blue, and the home screen will boot up after 18 seconds. After it's completed, the auto bleed valve will cease bleeding pressure. On the front of the machine, the ColdJet Polar Bear logo will light up, also indicating that the system is turned on. Use the rotary encoder dial to navigate to the feed rate indicator on the home screen and adjust it to the maximum setting. With the nozzle pointed towards the ground, press the air and dry ice button on the applicator to activate. The green light will turn on. Pull the trigger and blast for 10 seconds in order to purge the system of moisture. With the trigger engaged, check the blast pressure. A substantial and immediate drop from the supply pressure may indicate an undersized air supply line. A slower drop over a minute or two may indicate an undersized compressor. On the applicator, press the air and dry ice button to deactivate. The green light will turn off. On the machine, open the hopper lid while leaving the grate in place. Opening the grate will cause the machine to enter safety mode, disabling most functions. This is designed so that an operator can't stick their hands inside the hopper while the machine is in operation. Load the hopper with 3mm high-density dry ice pellets. The shelf life of dry ice pellets is typically up towards 7 to 10 days from its time of production. Fresher dry ice has more density and therefore has better cleaning aggression. Close the lid and keep closed after each filling. This prevents foreign objects or debris from entering the machine. Use the rotary encoder dial to adjust the feed rate, blast pressure, and particle size. Or navigate to the settings screen, then to the recipe sub-menu screen. Select the recipe menu and adjust it to the desired recipe numbered 1 through 9. The particle size can be adjusted in 1/10 of a millimeter increments, from 3/10 of a millimeter microparticles to full 3mm pellets. Smaller particles are generally better for thin, film-like contaminants such as mold release. Larger particles are generally better for thick or brittle contaminants such as carbon buildup. Practice on waste or scrap surfaces to set your blast settings. Start with the lowest settings for feed rate, particle size, and blast pressure. Then increase the settings until maximum cleaning results are achieved. See the operator manual for more information on optimal configurations and settings. Position the machine and blast hose to prevent kinking and allow for maximum maneuverability. Avoid pulling the machine using the blast hose. Aim the nozzle towards the target surface and position it so that it is perpendicular to the surface being cleaned at a distance of 2 to 6 inches or 5 to 15 centimeters. On the applicator, press the air and dry ice button to activate. The green light will turn on. Engage the trigger with safety function. Move the nozzle back and forth while keeping it perpendicular on the surface being cleaned. The speed of the nozzle passes will ultimately be determined by how quickly the contaminant is being removed. The applicator also allows the user to use air only. Press the air only button to activate. The blue light will turn on. This feature can be used to corral debris without wasting dry ice. On the applicator, the status light will be solid red when the hopper is full and start flashing when the hopper level is low to empty. On the control panel, the hopper level is indicated by the color of the hopper icon. Green is full, yellow is half full, and red is low. Reload dry ice pellets as needed.